Hey guys, Anthony here from XXX RC Garage, and I have a box opening to show you.
Durable, innovative, dependable. The Spektrum DX5 Rugged.
Okay guys, what you're looking at is the new Spektrum DX5 Rugged. That's right, the Rugged. So alright, so it looks like here this comes with to tell you how to learn and touch the touchpad, and of course your manual. Alright, put this stuff aside for a moment. Let's see what else we got. It's got a nice molded case here so it doesn't bounce around in shipping. And here it is, guys. Oh, and here's the little receiver. Alright, we'll move these boxes out of the way. And we'll talk about what we got here. Alright. So yep, this is it. And this is what they mean by one-hand control. You can do your steering. And look at this. It's like a tire. It's actually rubber, not plastic.
Conquer the wild. With 5 channels, you'll have more than enough functions for lights, winches, and more. The Rugged is water resistant. With coated electronics, take the Rugged anywhere, regardless of conditions.
And the way this is designed, you can actually put a GoPro here. Would fit in this, or up here, whichever way you want it, or you can just leave this as a guard. And then this is the touchpad, back and clear, and it also comes with a lanyard hook loop here. You can loop it here or here, and sorry. That's where the toolbox is. That looks like that could be for a charger of some sort. It doesn't come with battery rechargeable batteries, but you can buy some rechargeable batteries for it. And this is the tool, I believe, that fits in here. So like if you need to tighten up a tire or something on the trailer, and then I'm sure something else could fit in there. There it is, guys. The Spektrum DX5 Rugged. And looks like it only holds 4 batteries, like normal. Now, to show you something, what they mean by this little receiver being compact, is this is the SR310. Look at this thing. It's very compact. It's a lot smaller, shorter, not as thick. A little bit, well, not quite as thick. So there it is, guys. So turn it on. You hold a button. Let go. Shows your steering and all your stuff in here. And to turn it off, hold down, and there it goes. Pretty cool. Can't wait to try it out. So guys, there it is. The new Spektrum DX5 Rugged.
Another industry first brings a handy thumb steering lever. This gives you the freedom to balance driving and whatever else you want to do along the trail. And with convenience in mind, we've added a compartment to keep those small parts and tools ready when you need them. With 2 convenient mounting hooks, you can clip the Rugged to almost anything. Conquer the most challenging RC environments with confidence. Durable, innovative, dependable. The Spektrum DX5 Rugged.
I just want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, have fun with RCs.